Hello students, today's our topic is frost diagram. In a frost diagram, we plot Ne naught versus oxidation state. The zero oxidation state is assigned a Ne naught value is 0. As you know, frost diagram contain the same information as in Latimer diagram, but in Latimer diagram we show the data in a horizontal line form, but in frost diagram graphically shows stability and the oxidation state. We can easily identify stable and unstable states in a frost diagram. Thermodynamically, stability is found at the bottom of a diagram. Thus, the lower a species is positioned on the diagram, the more thermodynamically stable. Any species located on the upper right side of the diagram will be strong oxidizing agent, and also a species which is located at the upper left side in the diagram is a strong reducing agent. In frost diagram, the information obtained from is for species under standard conditions. It is pH dependent, so we in acidic solution we use pH equals. As we saw in the diagram, there is different oxidation states of manganese in aqueous acid solution. So we saw some oxidation states are in lower form and other are in the upper form. In the right hand side, the oxidation state is a strong reducing agent, oxidizing agent, and when we saw in the diagram, the left hand side the oxidation state is the strong oxidizing agent. As we saw in the diagram, oxidation state 2 is in the bottom, so it is a stable oxidation state, and 0 and 3 is the upper, so these are the unstable oxidizing states. When we saw the another oxidation state between +4 and +7, then we saw +4 oxidation state and +7 oxidation state. The +6 oxidation state is unstable species because it is above the lines connecting their neighbors. So +6 oxidation state is unstable oxidizing state, and +2 oxidizing state is the stable oxidizing state of manganese. Now the next is disproportionation and the comproportionation. When there are two main type of reactions can be visualized using the frost diagram. Comproportionation, when two equivalents of an element differing in oxidizing number combine to form a product with an intermediate oxidation state. And the another disproportionation is the opposite reaction, in which the two equivalent of an element identical in oxidation state react to form two products of differing oxidizing number. In this reaction we saw the two Mn positive identical elements react and form the Mm positive plus Mp plus two species which have different oxidizing states. And in comproportionation we saw the Mm positive and Mp positive, two different species combine and form two Mn positive species which have the same oxidizing number. Looking at the two slopes among a set of three oxidizing numbers on the diagram, as we saw, then the middle oxidizing number will either be in a hill or in a valley form. The oxidizing number that is on the top of the hill tends to favor disproportionation. In this diagram, as we saw, the +6 oxidizing number is top of the hill, so it shows the disproportionation. And oxidizing number that is in the bottom of a valley tends to favor comproportionation. So there we saw the plus 2 oxidation state is at the bottom in the valley, so it saw the comproportionation. Thank you.